Hello coding stars! Welcome back to another exciting session where we tackle real coding challenges and discover the best solutions. Today's challenge is something that many Python and Django learners face. You try running a command and suddenly see this message: pip is not recognized as an internal or external command. But don't worry coding stars, we've got your back. Let's dive into the solutions and get that pesky problem solved. Solution 1. Install pip manually. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type this command, python get-pip.py. This command will manually install pip if it's missing from your Python installation. Solution 2. Update your system path. First, find the location where Python is installed on your computer. Navigate to the scripts folder inside the Python directory. For example, cpython 39 scripts. Add this path to your system path variable. Search for environment variables on your computer. Click Edit System Variables, then find the path variable. Add the path to the scripts folder and click OK. Don't forget, close and reopen your IDE or terminal for the changes to take effect. Solution 3. Use a virtual environment. In your project folder, run. Activate the environment. This virtual environment will include pip automatically. And there you have it, coding stars. Whether it's adding pip manually, updating your path, or setting up a virtual environment, you now have all the tools to solve the pip not recognized challenge. The commands mentioned in this video are provided in the description below, so you can easily follow along. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to keep learning awesome coding solutions with us. Until next time, happy coding stars!